Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Here I will present the 4 points that I made. Thank in advance for stopping by my channel. Prevention and control of long tuberculosis through social screening and demonstration. Name Rina Julianti, kelas farmasi D. Background tuberculosis is an infectious disease caused by bacterial Mycobacterius tuberculosis. The spread and transmission of the tuberculosis disease is through the airborne sprinkling of droplet nuclei or mucus from tuberculosis patients. So that transmission through the air is very easy to transit to others. Tuberculosis patients will be infected bacteria in the respiratory tract, namely the lungs. In addition, tuberculosis germs not only attack the respiratory system but can infect other parts of the body through the circulation system, lymphatic system, respiratory tract, or other body parts. Tuberculosis is caused by a dirty environment and habit areas. Every year, tuberculosis cases in Indonesia have been increasing continuously. This matter, it is so that Indonesia is in the rank of countries that have highest tuberculosis cases. This number has increased from previous years. In tuberculosis, there were cases of tuberculosis, Kurniawan, Yudianto, and Siswanti. The increase in tuberculosis cases, which is always increasing, is a challenge for the government in tuberculosis control in Indonesia. One of the serious problems in tuberculosis control, namely the inadequacy of tuberculosis organizational service and treatment case. The purpose of this research purpose of the activity is tuberculosis socialization and screening. The method of community service activities is carried out in the form of socialization, screening, and demonstration. The activity was carried out on Tuesday, January, at the World Health Mojo Tengah. Participants in this activity amount to students from the Tarbiyah Faculty Unsik. The activity implementation stage, namely community service activities, begins Mojo Tengah Regional Health Center. The stages of activities are tuberculosis outreach, screening of all target participants, co-demonstration in effectively to teach how to properly. Tuberculosis socialization was carried out by presenting material about tuberculosis consisting of understanding signs, symptoms, causes, examination, treatment, and prevention and complication. The next activities was a demonstration, namely demonstration how to effective call to active participant. The implementation of the demonstration is carried out by the presenter, and accompanied by students. The company of an activity are described in terms of pledge, time, activities, coding, tactics, how to pin to how to put into a tube which has been provided. Result and diffusion. Tuberculosis, a trace activity screening of all target participants, demonstration of effective clogging carried out in conjunction with the micro patient debriefing conducted by the Fakultas Tarbiyah. More of Tarbiyah Fakultas students live in Islamic boarding school that are is a special group where they need special attention. Pondok Pesantren is a non-formal education institute that has students will activities together in the same place for a long period of time interact. Madan, one of the interaction effect makes is easier spirit and transmission of tuberculosis in Islamic boarding school. Islamic boarding school is visible like the Islamic phenomenon. The reform community service activities are important. The community, the form of community service activities are as follows. Socialization. Socialization is an activity to induce tuberculosis in this area includes understanding, seeing symptoms, causes, transmission, management, and complication. Ministry of Health RI National Guidelines for Control Tuberculosis. Jakarta. Directorate General of P2PM. The form of socialization carried out in the form of health education given to students as the target population. The result of the tuberculosis outreach. The participant located enthusiasm in the socialization activities with the number of questions submitted by participants and active discussion from participant and presenter. Participant can answer question from the presentation as a form of evaluation understanding of the concept of tuberculosis disease. Screening is needed to improve disease case finding and treatment tuberculosis. Conclusion, socialization, screening, and demonstration activities are carried out actively so that sensitive students will take part in activities to screen tuberculosis regularly, independent, and assisting the Department of Health to obtain basis data on the infectious diseases, making it easier for the time implementing activities to prevent and tuberculosis control, especially in special groups. Is there anything to ask? If there is, then write in the comments columns. Terima kasih. Jangan lupa like, comment, and subscribe. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.